Hello friends, this is Velu Swami from Mahindra & Mahindra. Welcome to Connected Mobility Summit. I'm going to speak about the advanced driver assist system in connection with cloud network and vehicle-to-vehicle network for improving the safety of passengers.
Thank you very much for having me here, for inviting me to share my thoughts on the Connected Mobility Summit 2021.
Hi, I'm Akash. Please join me at the Connected Mobility Summit on 6th of October 2021.
Hi, I am Pankaj Dubey. Please join me at the Connected Mobility Summit on 6th October 2021.
Hi, I'm Mohan. Please join me at the Connected Mobility Summit on the 6th of October 2021.
I am Atul Chatur. Please join me at the Connected Mobility Summit on the 6th of October 2021.
I'm Sachin Tyagi. Please join me at the Connected Mobility Summit on 6th October 2021.
Hi, I am Nakul. Please join me at the Connected Mobility Summit on 6th October 2021.
Hello, I am Vivek. Please join me at the Connected Mobility Summit on 6th of October 2021.
Hello everyone, my name is Kaushik Madhavan. I manage the Mobility Business Unit at Frost & Sullivan. Please join me at the Connected Mobility Summit on the 6th October 2021.
Hi everyone, my name is Laksh Parthasarathy. I'm the Global Business Head for Case Industry segment at TCS. I'm based in the US. I'm very happy to participate in the Connected Mobility Summit, which is happening on 6th October 2021.
I'm Apurva Kirti. I'm leading the electrical electronics in commercial vehicle in Tata Motors. Really, I thanks to the Financial Express to bring all the global experts in this domain to discuss today. Thanks.
Hello everyone. So I am Jaydev Venkatraman. I am responsible for ADAS engineering in continental India. The connected mobility is gaining so much significance and prominence in the automotive industry, and it is very imperative that we discuss this from the Indian context, and looking forward to this Connected Mobility Summit to do so. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. I am Naresh Rana and I am heading embedded business for Western Digital in India. Please join me at the Connected Mobility Summit on 6th October 2021. So I'll be talking about the storage strategies for the connected vehicles. So it's very critical to have a storage strategy for automotive and connected vehicles. So see you soon on 6th October. Thank you.
I am Girish. I work for Infineon Technologies. Please join me at the Connected Mobility Summit on 6th October. I'd like to see you there.
Hi, I am Venkesh Gulati. Please join me at the Connected Mobility Summit on 6th October 2021 to know about the latest trends and the issues in that space. Looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you.
So hello everyone. Anurag Garg here from Vitesco Technologies India. Vitesco Technologies has recently built a very state-of-the-art technology plant here in Talegaon, Pune, where we are already ramping up our activities for the BS6, which was launched in 2020. And also, please join me at the Connected Mobility Summit on 6th of October 2021. Looking forward to see you over there. Thank you.